Gets better than this. I've seen them walking hand in hand. I've seen them smile when they are kissed. I've seen them embrace till the end. I've heard they listen intently to what the other has to say. They find the time they need to spend. I think we still have a long way.